IVD, me ask you a question. You know, reply to Lady Leisha, dirty, dry you through the mud with you and fling you and drop you and roll you down one hill and pick you up back again and put you up on top of the hill and roll you down again. You not reply to that. You turn video vixen now.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Pesheng, wing. Big up. We are here again and I get China one day. You don't love me? You don't must love me. You don't love to hate me? Or you love me? Which one? Jesus, man. No, don't have to love me. Just love my work rate. Rate my work. So today, guys, we are here with Abra Cadabra featuring Kush. You know. Abra Cadabra again featuring Kush. You know. Young artists, big up on yourself for reaching out. Just big up on yourself. I'm gonna big up on the bumper clot self. Big up the people them who actually go over my Twitch and actually hit follow. Big up on yourself. I really appreciate that. Also, my Twitch link is down below. I do stream on Twitch GTA roleplay mainly. You see me? And I do stream on YouTube. Nearly 15k on YouTube. The link is down below. My gaming channel and the name is up there. So follow that. So let's go. Let's see what this is about now. This is Abra and Kush featuring Abra featuring Kush, you know. Let's go. This girl and the girl when they in the last reaction video me do no. Same girl. Huh. Yeah. Beautiful.
No problem. Yeah.
Filmed by Suave. Big up Suave again. Me can't stop big up my G. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself, my fam. Yeah, do it, bro.
I take time with my shorty cause she dangerous. I tell her keep her coming before you kill the flame in us.
Ha! This is a different style again. I take time with my shorty cause she dangerous. Yo! That is my Abra voice, by the way. This is a different again.
Always had faith in us, and I don't see nothing that's breaking us. What comes with love is ups and downs. You just gotta get up. Don't
You don't see nobody that's breaking them. Them strong like the Gorilla Glue where it kick up the girl here. You remember that girl, the Gorilla Glue where it yeah. She have to have an operation to take out that. Our relationship strong. The relationship is strong like that. Yeah. Relationship comes with ups and downs though. Remember, this is what the G is telling you. Relationship comes with ups and downs. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Always act in a responsible manner in your ups or your downs. You understand? And everything will be alright.
You just gotta keep it pushing and keep hoping for some better days.
This girl is just a natural beauty. She's just natural. But when I say so, you just have to keep it moving and hope for better days. I think this is an essential track to _𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃. Abra, is anyone in the OFB watching this? Can I please get my hands on one of these merch, please? I am asking for that. For one of them, guys. So hit me up and let me know if we can get one. I'm serious. Me need
arguments. We just gonna keep arguing. It's a lovely situation. Why you wanna tarnish it? I put my energy into it, trying to harness it.
What you trying to say? You know some girl we just like for argue more time for no reason, just like because some of them don't like arguing, some of them still want your attention, and we as man don't give girls our attention sometimes. But sometimes we do give it, but the girls them still argue because they want more. Them just can't satisfy. That's what
you think I won't tell you no lies, I'm full of honesty. Sometimes you make me feel like that's just honestly. Then I told you to leave me alone, you're always on to me.
Yo, I can't manage that girl, you know. Basically, this is what Abra say. Yo, I can't manage that girl, you know. Sometimes I tell her, I say, yo, listen, just block me out of your phone, dog. Just don't call my phone. Just leave me alone, brother. Just leave me alone, my girl. Just leave me alone. I can't deal with you right now. You are annoying. You're giving me a headache. I run up my blood pressure at such a young age. No, I can't deal with that. That is what the boss is saying. But the girl is onto him. She not left him.
I don't know what's not to miss the way you always onto me. Then I realize I feel like this cause you're a part of me. And I'll be sad but I won't die if we start parting ways. I know.
Basically, yo, say you know, say one time him say, yo, leave me alone. If she do leave me alone, him a go call her. Because it's basically a relationship where just them two understand it. Them two understand it. You look it in, not go understand it. You see it?
I treat you the best and not the harder way. I ain't treat you like these other bitches. I ain't even funny when we had nowhere to part the gauge.
Hear that? Hear that? Me never treat you like all these other bitches. Me never call you. I did not ring your phone when time me never have nowhere to put on the gate, to lock the gate, the shotty, the 12 gate shotty. Me never have nowhere of calling you. I'm not calling you for that because I respect you too much. I mean, when you mix up in my shit. So, let me go and call some other bitches. That is what the boss has said. Because the love when have for she, yeah, nah do that.
You a keeper from the day that I saw you. People see me on the TV from early and think I love attention from these girlies. But you know.
This feel like he's singing to somebody special. This feel like it's a true story to me. The man that said, listen to me, dog. Listen to me, baby. People see me on the TV all the while I think say you have more attention from some of these girls. From most of these girls. No, I don't. You are the only one for me.
I've been around in August, but none of them can move like you. We can have our ups and downs, I won't leave you down and now.
You know, so we can have ups and downs, but we're not going to leave you. We're not going to leave you down and out. We're not going to kick you until you're down, and we're not going to leave you until you're down, mama. We're going to work through this. We're going to work through this together. We got the real G them. We got the real G them and not leave them woman when them out, down and out and vulnerable and need them the most. You see me? Because you have some boy choose them friend over them girl. All the while, brother, you cannot sleep on your pillow with your friend at night time. You're your woman in the bed spooning, that's what the English would say. Like, let's spoon. You're your woman a spoon and fork.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, that's it, guys.
You get that reference, right? Fork.
You ain't had another nigga treat you how I do, it's true. I'm just keeping it real. No.
This is no joke. You never have a next nigga treat you like how me treat you. Me treat you good. Me treat you with love, respect, honor. You see me? Because you are my queen and I am your king. Because you treat me like you're king. You see me? So there's been plenty of girls, but you are the one. Yeah.
You know. I've been around in August, but none of them can move like you.
You know. So that's his first verse done. So let's wait for Kush.
You ain't had another nigga treat you how I do, it's true. I'm just keeping it real.
Alright. So Kush have a different girl now. Hold on there. More see. Let's not say anything for a second. Let me see a rich girl.
You know I gotta keep it real. I keep it gangster, let her know the real. Cause I ain't trying to make it be another heart to kill. I'm here.
Wait there. Wait. More showing us something. IVD. Me ask you a question. You know, reply to Lady Leisha dirty, dry you through the mud with you and fling you and drop you and roll you down one hill and pick you up back again and put you up on top of the hill and roll you down again. You not reply to that. You turn video vixen now. Okay, IVD. Okay, my mama. Okay, you turn video vixen now. Big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself. You see me? Money have to make. Yeah, baby. Let's go.
For real, you ain't had another nigga, keep it trill. Be for real, always being honest, know you seen the drill. She knows I flex, I'm only trying to get a check, babe, but I tell her.
She knows I flex. She knows that I have to get up and go work. She knows that I have to do what I do. She knows that I have to get up and go work. She knows that I have to do it. So baby, just chill. Me outside of work.
Correct, and don't be doing in my head, it's just me and her don't give a shit about a friend. They're bad vibes, they wishing me and you the end. She wants
our friend them I wish him and Chief end. That not gonna happen. You know you have some like you have your girl, but she have some friend where you don't like and them don't like it for whatever reason. Jealousy. You know why? One of the reasons why the woman them get jealous like that. Said alright then, said IVD. I gotta tell our friend them about Kush. Oh, Kush this, Kush that, Kush is so good. Them want peace too, but them don't know how to get it. Or Or flip it on the other side. IVD tell our friend them say Kush this and Kush that, and know he's horrible to her and Rere, but she still love him. The friend them don't want IVD to get hurt, so them want to protect IVD from Kush, so them not like Kush for that reason. Ah, got ya.
Some advice, cause she wanna phone up a friend. And every little fight, so she wanna phone up a friend. No, when I'm outside, no, she wanna phone up a friend.
You see it? You see it? What me just tell you? You see, what me just tell you? If she want advice, she call her friend them. If you have a little argument, she call her friend them. So that leave her friend them for hate me. That leave her friend them for hate me, dog. You see me? That is, I just say that because it happened in real life.
She better phone up her friend when it comes to an end. She knows that me and her can be. Don't put your brain on that. Let it be what it will be. Don't hold no hate it bad.
The rhythm just changed a while ago, don't it? Do-do-do. Do-do-do. The rhythm feel like it just changed a while ago, though. I'm not telling a lie. Like, feel nice, yeah.
Time will tell and time will see. Just if you're made for man. I've been around a lot of girls, but girl, I think you're made for man.
You know.
I've been around a lot of girls, but baby, I think you are made for me. You are made for the G. You are made for me. You are.
I've been around a lot of girls, but none of them can move like you. We can have our ups and downs. I won't leave you down and out, but you know.
Would you like to see the clash between IVD and Lady Leisha? The proper clash, the all-out clash, tune for tune, bar for bar. Who would like to see that? Who would like to see that? Yeah.
You ain't had another nigga treat you how I do, it's true. I'm just keeping it real. I'm just keeping it real. No, you know.
Yo, me can't stop look on the girl with Abra sing to. She's nice. She's nice, dog.
I've been around a lot of girls, but none of them can move like you. We can have our ups and downs. I won't leave you down and out, but you know.
This is like a proper catchy tune. This is like the chorus is so catchy. The chorus is so catchy. And IVD, let me just put this disclaimer out there. Me not hate you. Me not hate what you do. Me just start the truth. Me just start the truth. IVD. Yeah, me G. Your daily duppy was fire. Your daily duppy was fire. You can't take that away from your woman. Yeah, me G. You see me? So don't believe that I have something against you. I don't have nothing against you, IVD. So don't believe that. You see me? Yeah, me G, mama. Yeah, me G. You see me? Yeah. One day, you're gonna meet me in a real life and shot me a hard back. So I'm gonna say, box the next cheek.
I'm just keeping it real. I'm just keeping it real.
Oh, you know, you're gonna wanna do it like you. Yeah, I'm just keeping it real. Keeping it real. You know. See there? That is what I need. One of those tracksuit. Abra, just link up, brother. Link up, dog. Link up, brother. We need one of your tracksuit, them, my friend. I'm gonna need it in white also. So Abra is known to drop songs at the end of a song. Let's see what he does here.
No problem, no problem.
Okay, I reacted that one already. That one is reacted to. So basically, I reacted this one backwards. But it's alright. I reacted this one backwards. So guys, we're here. We are here. The video finished. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. IVD, big up yourself. I'll see you in the next video. I think the last video I see you in was what name? Where the youth name? I think Man's Not Hot. Film video I see in last time. How can I forget the G name? Big Shock. Me see in a Big Shock video last time. Yeah, IVD, big up yourself, mama. But yeah, I would love to hear a reply from you. Lady Leisha still, I'm not telling a lie. But yeah, guys, 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. Video nice. Chorus nice. The vibe nice. Big up the girls, them. IVD, big up yourself. Big up the other girl as well in the video. Big up on yourself. Kush, big up your fucking self, my G. OFB, oh, it's nowhere.